So some users of our facility have reported that they were unable to open the Nikon images on imageJ. And immediately they explained this to me, I understood what was going on. So I just installed this imageJ this morning, and I'm going to try and open one of the confocal images. And you can see that it says unsupported format or file not found. This usually happens because you're installing imageJ for the first time, and the plugins that you require in order to be able to open .nd2 images is not available. If you go to the plugins, you can see that here we have a missing plugin. You will not know it's missing because I'm using these plugins a lot. I was able to identify that this plugin was not automatically recorded, was not automatically downloaded together with the imageJ. And this plugin is known as bioformat, this plugin here. So if you go to the if you go to openmicroscopy.org/bioformat/downloads, then you'll be able to come across this bioformat package. And all you need to do is to click on download. And while this is downloading, I'm going to reduce the window screen so that immediately it's finished downloading. Then I can drag and drop it to imageJ so that this plugin can be incorporated into the imageJ software. So this is almost finished downloading. So now that we have the bioformat package downloaded, I'm just going to drag this and bring it to imageJ. And it's going to ask that where do I want it to save to? I want it to save into the folder that is for plugins. So I'm just going to click save, and automatically it has populated the imageJ plugins with a bioformat plugin. And now if I try repeating to open the Nikon microscope image .nd2, if I drag it here, you can see that it automatically opened the folder, which it couldn't open earlier when I tried to open it. I hope this help you with your troubleshooting. And if you need any further assistance, please write me in the comment section. Until next time, bye.